Hey guys, I'm Wheezer and I will be showing you my favorite meme. Actually, these are not my favorite memes, but I have no choice. Kennedy told me I have to show you these memes, otherwise I have to hear him play saxophone all night, so I'd rather just show you his memes.
Baron Trump beating Minecraft. Don't worry, I know an expert. The expert.
Actually, I don't feel comfortable picking on Baron Trump as much. It doesn't feel right. Can we show different memes, please?
Sure, Carl, that sounds like a great idea. I have the perfect meme for tonight's show. Okay, here it is. When you want to be Elton John, but all you are is gay. Well, that's all we got for tonight. I hope you all enjoyed the show. Be sure to come back and enjoy some of our greatest memes. Also, Carl isn't really gay. Good night, ladies.